Let's explore the AI web capture widget available for use within Partner Center. Inside Partner Center, navigate to Inbox and click on the Settings gear. Here, you'll find options to configure your Webchat widget. If it's not already enabled, simply click Enable and then proceed to configure Webchat. You can set a widget name to be used internally, customize chat greetings, and adjust the accent and text colors to match your website. Use the eyedropper tool to precisely match colors from your logo. With the look and feel customized, it's time to provide the AI with essential business information. You can give your AI assistant additional knowledge from any source. Click Add Knowledge and choose between adding your own custom text knowledge, such as frequently asked questions, or enter a website address to scrape the website for business information. Once you have trained your web chat and are satisfied with the settings, it's time to install the widget. For websites using a Divi theme, copy the provided code and paste it into the head tag. Alternatively, you can download and install the WordPress plugin. Let's quickly review both methods. Download the WordPress plugin and copy the code. In WordPress, navigate to Divi, Theme Options, Integration, and add the code to the head of your blog. Or, upload the plugin via the Plugin section and WordPress, activate it, and you're good to go. With the widget installed, potential customers can reach out to you and an AI will engage with them to gather information, which you can use for outreach. For example, the AI can interact with customers and capture their details. Returning to Partner Center, you'll find the captured contact information. Additionally, messages exchanged with customers can be reviewed in the Messages section. I hope this helps you capture leads more efficiently.